Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, how to fix Android not receiving calls. So let's get started. So if you are facing this issue where your Android device is not receiving any calls and you want to fix that. So to fix that, what you can do is just first of all, you have to remove the SIM card from your device, and after removing the SIM card from your device, you have to reinsert that SIM card to your device. So after reinserting that SIM card, you have to check if you have fixed your problem and you are receiving the signals in your SIM card. So if that does not fix your problem, then what you can do is down. And after scrolling down, now what you can do is just turn on your airplane mode. And by turning on your airplane mode, it will turn off your signals. And after turning off your signals, now what you can do is just again turn off your airplane mode, and that will again turn on your signals. So this will basically reset your signals of your SIM card. So after doing this, you have to check if you have fixed your problem. But even this does not fix your problem, then what you do is just open up your settings and then check for system update. So just scroll down, and after scrolling down here you can find system updates option. Tap on it and then tap on check for update. And now you have to check if you have an update in your device. So if you do have an update in your device, you just have to update your device and that might fix your problem. So just update your device, and after doing all this, you will fix your problem. But that even does not fix your problem, then what you can do is just simply restart your device. So just tap and hold on to your power button and then tap on restart, and by tapping on restart you will basically fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix Android not receiving calls. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.